For a lot of us, fast food is something of a guilty pleasure. We know we should eat at home and cook our own foods, especially if you want to lose weight or be healthier. Plus, cooking at home is cheaper than eating out. Unlike a restaurant, you don't have overhead costs to consider when making a meal. After all, restaurants are a business. They're trying to make money. And in order to save money when eating out, the first key is to start thinking like a business owner. Because there are some pretty cool ways you can save big when you go out to eat. Ready? Let's get to it! So, thinking like a restaurant business owner means figuring out why your business charges what it does based on the local competition, and then optimizing your operations so you can bring those costs down. What does this have to do with food hacks? Well, it turns out that some of our favorite restaurants use some pretty clever tricks when it comes to making sure their customers feel like they're getting a good deal. And sometimes, these tricks are as simple as using less meat or serving smaller portions. But most often, they're much more complicated and delicious. Secret number 1 is a neat trick for ordering food at Chipotle. This hack is a way to get a burrito for a lot less. Instead of the standard burrito order, ask for a bowl and 2 tortillas on the side. That way, you can get at least the contents of 2 full burritos or potentially a third for around $8 less than you might pay for the burritos individually. Here's how the math works. A regular chicken burrito is $8.10. Instead of ordering a chicken burrito, order a burrito bowl instead. That'll still be $8.10. And then, add whatever toppings you want to the bowl, since the toppings are a part of the bowl purchase price. In this case, rice, beans, salsa, cheese, or no cheese, lettuce and veggies, which amount to $8.10. Then, by getting 2 tortillas on the side for a fraction of the cost of the burrito, you're able to load each one up with the burrito fillings for much less than the burrito would have cost. Alright, so now to fast food hack number 2. This one is super easy. Chick-fil-A is known for their chicken sandwiches, but they also do a pretty good chicken nugget too. With their kids' meal, geared towards 4 to 7-year-olds, the cost is $5.50, and it comes with a 5-count of nuggets, fries, a toy, and a drink. But something the general public does not always realize is that you can actually ask Chick-fil-A to swap out the kids' toy for ice cream. So I went down to Chick-fil-A and ordered one of their kids' meals with an ice cream in a cup instead of a toy, and they gladly accepted. Alright, so fast food hack number 3 is at a place you probably weren't expecting, Starbucks. One way to get a caramel macchiato on a budget is to ask your barista for 2 shots of espresso in a grande-sized cup alongside 2 pumps of your favorite flavoring. So, for this drink, you'd ask for 2 shots of espresso and 2 drizzles of caramel syrup. Add some ice or cream, and you've got your budget fancy drink. Here's how you can use the McDonald's app for food hack number 4. If you order directly from McDonald's, you'll pay 25 cents per packet for those sauce packets. But if you use the app, those packets are completely free. I went to a McDonald's in my area to put this secret to the test, and I ordered a quarter pounder with cheese and barbecue sauce and spicy buffalo sauce. They charged me 25 cents per packet of sauce. But when I placed the exact same order from the McDonald's app, the sauce packets didn't cost a thing. Finally, here is fast food hack number 5. Did you know you can order a bag of ice for about $1 from virtually any fast food restaurant, including McDonald's? Now, it isn't always of the exact same quality as a convenience store or gas station bag of ice. But if you're in a rush, or tailgating, or you have a cooler that you need to quickly fill with ice, just ask, and you can get a bag of ice for generally around $1. Alright, before we finish up, I have a bonus McDonald's hack for you. Did you know that if your birthday falls on a Sunday through Thursday, from May through August, and this one is definitely worth mentioning, you can get an entire sheet cake from McDonald's for $9? Amazing, right? Definitely worth trying out. I'll be honest, while it isn't the healthiest habit, eating outside has always been a constant in my life. Sure, I love being able to sit down with my family and friends while enjoying some good eats. The problem is, there are times when we don't have enough money to go out and eat at a restaurant. But the more of these little hacks you can pile up, the more money you'll be able to save over time. And if you'd like even more hacks that can help you save money, then in this video, I share 10 awesome money-saving life hacks that can help you out right away. See you there!